Students, now we will see reciprocals or multiplicative inverse. Okay, meaning is same. We can either call it as reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. When the product of two numbers is 1, each of the numbers is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the other. Okay, that means when we multiply, product means when we multiply the two numbers, we are getting 1. In that case, you can say that both the numbers are multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. So I have taken 3 examples here. Let's see here. 5 upon 6 into 6 upon 5. If I multiply this, 5 6 are 30 and 6 5s are 30, and this is cancelled and you will get here 1. So product of these two numbers is 1. So you can say that 5 by 6 is reciprocal of 6 by 5. Is it clear? Similarly, here you can see 4 into 1 by 4. So 4 ones are 4, and here there is no denominator. No denominator means it is 1, which we don't write normally. So again 4 ones are 4. So 4 ones are 4, cancelled, you are getting 1. So you can say that 4 is multiplicative inverse of 1 by 4 or reciprocal. Okay, similarly here also 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. So you are getting 1 here. Okay, so such numbers are called as multiplicative inverse. It's very easy to identify. Any fraction is given, just flip the numerator and denominator. Like 5 by 6 becomes 6 by 5. 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. Now you may be wondering that what about 4 and 1 by 4? So I tell you that when you have written 4, its denominator is 1. Remember, which we don't write conventionally. Okay, so that means there is 1 and you are writing reciprocal 1 by 4. So when you don't write it in denominator, it's okay, no problem. But in numerator, it has to be written 1 by 4. So that is how you get multiplicative inverse. Okay, these sums are just for examples. There is no need to note down. Okay, you will just note down the statement from here because this can be asked for fill in the blanks. Okay, there is no need to write these sums. We will start now the exercise. Okay, students, now we will see division of a fraction, how to divide a number by a fraction. So there is a rule that you have to remember. To divide a number by a fraction is to multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction. That means a division can be written as a multiplication, isn't it? Just see here, 12 divided by 4, this is a normal division. So if I have to write this as a multiplication, how would I write? So 12 means 12 upon 4, 12 upon 1 divided by 4 upon 1. So according to rule that it has to be multiplied by the reciprocal. So 12 upon 1, in place of division I will write multiplication, and 4 upon 1 will be written as 1 upon 4. So I have multiplied by reciprocal. So 12 ones are 12 and 4 ones are 4. So 4 3s are 12. So I get here answer 3. So multiplying by a reciprocal or dividing is one and the same thing because 4 3s are 12. Now see in this example 5 upon 7. In place of division I will write multiplication, and 2 by 3 is written as reciprocal, 3 by 2. So now I have to multiply. So 5 3s are 15 and 7 2s are 14. So that means a division becomes easier for us when we write it as multiplication of reciprocal. Okay, so we have to remember whenever you are dividing by a fraction, multiply by its reciprocal. See, 2 by 3 is written as 3 by 2. 4 by 1 is written as 1 by 4. Is it clear? Students, now we will see practice set 13. First question is write the reciprocal of the following numbers. So there are 5 sub questions. You can see I have solved here three sums. 4th and 5th one is homework for you. I have written here 4th and 5th are homework. Now look at first one. Number is 7. So reciprocal of 7 is 1 upon 7. How we got 1 here? I have told you already that 7 can be written as 7 upon 1. So that is why it is written as 1 upon 7. Isn't it? Reciprocal of 11 upon 3, just write the numerator in place of denominator. So 3 upon 11. Okay. And reciprocal of 5 by 13 is 13 upon 5. So that is how you can write reciprocal of any number. Okay. Just you have to flip numerator and denominator. Okay. Product of these two numbers is 1. We have done already in the previous part, right? So I have given 4th and 5th one as homework to you. Please note it. Students, see second part of this practice set. Carry out the following divisions. First one is 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4. So we have already seen the previous part that division can be written as multiplication. So 2 upon 3 multiplied by reciprocal. So 1 by 4 is written as 4 by 1. Now multiply. 2 4s are 8 and 3 1s are 3. So we got here fraction as 8 upon 3. Similarly, second one, 5 upon 9 divided by 3 by 2. So in place of division, I will write multiplication and the fraction is written as reciprocal. So 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Okay. Again multiply 5 into 2 and 9 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 9 3s are 27. So that is how we have multiplied first and second. Students, now see here third and fourth sum. I have just done one step for you. You have to complete this sum. Look at first and second sum how we have solved. Similarly, you will solve third and fourth. Now division of these two numbers, 3 upon 7 divided by 5 by 11. So in place of division, we will write multiplication and reciprocal, 11 upon 5. So multiply by reciprocal. Same here, multiply by reciprocal. 4 upon 7 is written as 7 upon 4. So I have just written one step of third and fourth. Now you have to continue and solve third and fourth. Is it clear? If you will not get it, then in the Zoom class we will discuss about these sums. Okay. So this is homework for you, third and fourth. Students, now we'll see third sum, that is the last sum of practice set 13. There were 420 students participating in Swachh Bharat campaign. They cleaned 42 by 75 part of the town, Sevagram. What part of Sevagram did each student clean if the work was equally shared by all? Okay. So equally shared means it is divided between each student. Okay. So total number of students are 420. So part which was cleaned is 42 upon 75. That means this much of work is divided amongst 420 students. So I will write here 42 upon 75 divided by 420. So this is the part which is cleaned by each student. So we have not simplified yet. So now we are going to perform the division. Okay. So you will see here, this is equal to 42 divided by 75 divided by will be written as multiplication, 1 upon 420. So students, in place of division we will write here multiplication. So 420 is written as reciprocal as we have seen in the previous question, right? Now you can write this as 42 multiplied by 1 divided by 75 multiplied by 420. So you can see here 42 ones are and 42 tens are, right? So 1 ones are 1 and 75 into 10 is 1 upon 750. So part cleaned by each student is 1 upon 70. You can write your answer. Okay, answer should be written like this. Part cleaned by each student is 1 by 750. Is it clear? So remember, we will write first total part cleaned 42 by 75 equally divided between students 420. Part cleaned by each student is 42 by 75 divided by 420. Okay, so this division will be carried in this way as multiplication. Is it clear? So you will note down this sum and then write your answer at the end. part cleaned by each student is 1 by 750. So with this sum, students, we have completed this chapter. In this video, I have already mentioned what are the homework. Okay, so there is no assignment given after the video. You have to watch the video and find out what are the sums that is given. It is marked over in the video only. Okay, thank you, students.